Welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make loaded skirt steak nachos. Yes, this is perfect for Super Bowl, NBA Finals, Daytona 500, 4th of July, weddings, funerals. Anyway, we're going to start by chopping up our vegetables. And first things first, we're going to start with 3 green onions. And we're going to chop them like so. And next we're going to chop jalapeno peppers. And we're just going to leave the seeds in. We're going to do slices just like this. And add these to the bowl. Alright, next we're going to use a separate bowl. And we're going to dice up our plum tomatoes. And we're cutting them like so. Following this, we're going to pick some cilantro leaves and add them to the bowl as well. Alright, it's time to season our skirt steaks. So we're going for a Mexican flavor with a little added kick. So we're starting out with some jalapeno powder, and now we've got some chipotle powder. And of course you can certainly use whatever seasonings you like. This is just our recommendation. Now we've got some cumin. Followed by some chili powder. And we've got some garlic. And some cayenne pepper. Give it a little kick. And then we're going to grind up some sea salt and some black pepper. And when you're done with that, just flip the steaks over and repeat the process on the other side. Alright, so we're loading up our pellet smoker hopper with some mesquite wood pellets. And we're going to set our smoker temperature at 200 degrees. Now if you don't have a smoker, that's fine. You can cook this same recipe on your propane gas grill or your charcoal grill. Just want to cook these things to temperature. And for the skirt steak, we're going to be cooking it to about 125. And that's going to come in a little bit under rare. And the reason we want to do that is because we're going to cook the steaks a second time once we assemble the nachos. Here we've got a optional can of refried beans, and we're just going to warm these up on the smoker. Food porn flyover. Take a look at these steaks. Don't they look good? Oh, they taste good too. So our steaks have reached temperature, and we're going to pull them off the smoker and bring them inside. So now what you want to do is cut the steaks into small bite-sized chunks. And what we're going to do here is just cut these and set them aside. And we'll start building the nachos. Alright, so we're going to put down the first layer of chips. And what we're going to do here is we're going to make a multi-layer nacho mountain. Now that's up to you. If you want to have 2 trays, that's probably easier to handle. But hey, this is the internet, and we're making a nacho mountain. And you can see here we've got 2 different types of shredded cheese that we're adding. And now we're going to drop in our refried beans. And you definitely want to have these heated up. They're a lot easier to work with instead of just cold out of the can. Now it's time to add the veggies. look at those jalapenos. This is gonna be hot. Now we're gonna add the skirt steak chunks, and this is starting to come together, and it's looking good. Now it's time to smother everything with more cheese. And more cheese, yes. Okay, so we're going for our second layer here. Now you may have noticed we haven't added any sour cream or guacamole. We're saving that for after cooking. We're going to keep the cold stuff cold and add that after we're done cooking. So we're just repeating the same process. We're going to put the cheese down, the refried beans. We're going to add the veggies, and we're going to add the skirt steak. Oh yeah, look at this. It's the Mount Everest of nachos. Doesn't this look good? Are you starting to get hungry? Take a look at this. I know this is making you hungry. If you love loaded nachos, oh yeah, you gotta try this recipe. And this is why we have two different packages of cheese, because you're gonna use both of them all the way. Oh yeah, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Oh, just wait till that cheese is melted. It's gonna be even better. Okay, so we're gonna put this tray of nachos back on the smoker. And we forgot to add lime earlier, so we're gonna do that now. And just juice half of a lime. Take a look at this. Cheese is starting to melt. The steak is nice and cooked. And these are ready to pull from the cooker. So let's get these inside, and we're gonna add the cold ingredients. So now we're gonna top it with our homemade salsa. And we're gonna add some guacamole. We've just got some store-bought guacamole, nothing fancy. And then we're gonna add some sour cream. And there we have it, loaded nachos. And of course, feel free to add your favorite items. Maybe you want some black olives, maybe you want some bacon, who knows? Go crazy. But after you're done being crazy, come back to our comments section and let us know how you made your nachos. Did you put them on a grill? Did you pan fry the skirt steak and bake the nachos in the oven? So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to stop by our website, manthat'scooking.com. We've got other recipes there for you to check out. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Drop by, let us know what you think about our videos. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.